How to set charging animation display in your iPhone. Here is the coolest way to set a charging animation display. First, open App Store, type charging play and download charging play and open charging play. You are seeing replace animation, click on that. Select which display image you want and click on preview. Set. Look at the advertisement for 30 seconds for free. You look at advertisement for 30 seconds. Set up as successful. Click on keynotes. Click on animation. Click on plus button. Create personal animation. Click on charger. Click on is connected. Next. Add action. Click on apps. Select charging play. Done. Ask before running. Done. Now you can see I am connecting the charger. Display will animation. Now you can check your data speed in your charging play app, in your location data speed. I will click on start. Look out an advertisement for
जोखिम पर खेलें.
You have to look at advertisement. This testing. See, in my location data speed is like this. You can also check power detection. Connect the charger to your phone and start detection. It is testing now. End of test. 13.44 watts. Thank you guys. Subscribe my channel.